Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you today. I started a project on one of the lives. I think it was with them crafty girls with Ebony. I played with the Kscraft's Christmas train, and I told you I was going to give you the measurements to make the box. Okay, so this is the front of the train, and this one measures 4.5 by 5 1/4. So just a little piece of cardstock. These are my prototypes. So 4.5 by 5 1/4, and you're going to score on the 5 1/4 side. You're going to score 1 1/4 inch and 4 inch, and you're going to turn it. And at the 4.5 side, you're going to score 1 1/4 and 3 1/4. And then you're going to cut the sides on the 5 1/4 side. You cut them on the score marks, and then you glue these flaps on the inside of your box. So that will create the front of your train. And then this one is a square, so it's a 4.5 by 4.5, and then you're going to score at 1 1/4 on each side. So you're going to turn it 1 1/4, 3 1/4, and then rotate it and do the same score marks. And it doesn't matter which side, you're going to cut your slits here on the score marks and then fold them in like so, just like the other box. And this will be the back cart. Okay, and I'll show you what I mean. So you get all these pieces also along with the train to decorate your train set. So I'm going to move this over. This is going to go with my dies so I can remember the box measurements. And this is what it's going to look like. And don't mind all the hot glue. I just completed it. And I used some of my miniatures from Hobby Lobby and Michael's. And then I also used some flat back acrylics from Ebony, who is the Rosette Guru on Instagram, guys. You might want to go check her out. And I have a little gingerbread guy here with a Santa hat, and he's got a candy cane. So I did the same on this side of the train, because you're going to see both sides, right? When you have it on display. And then I used some puffy stickers to create my little banner. And this puffy stickers is from Simple Stories. This is the Holly Days puffy stickers. And I used it because these were like the perfect size for our little train. So it's not finished completely. I want to put more stuff in there. But what I did do, I put some cotton balls. This is just from Dollar Tree or Walmart. And you just pull it apart so it gets all nice and fluffy. And I put it into the cart right there. These little bows on this tops of the Christmas tree are from the die set. It's one of the embellishment pieces. So is the candy cane that you see the Nutcracker guy holding. So those candy canes are from this die set. It comes with it. So what I will do, I'll probably put like acetate underneath on the bottom so that the paper doesn't get worn down, because this is only cardstock right there, the hinge part. And I want to make sure it doesn't break. Or I might use just regular cardstock. That way it's sturdy. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little project share. And if you enjoyed that, please go check out Kscraft on AliExpress, I believe, or even on Amazon. It might be available, I'm not sure. But this is like, I think, last year's Christmas release for Kscrafts. And I'm only now getting to use it. But look at how cute. It even comes with the little flags. So if you're interested, go check it out. It has a bunch of little embellishment pieces. So yeah, and don't forget, check out Rosette Guru on Instagram. She'll be having sales here soon. If you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button, join our crafty family, and while you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load a new video like this or when I go live here on my channel. So thanks again, guys, for watching. Thumbs up this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.